All right, yeah. So real quick, I'm gonna call my support team, and I'm gonna ask him questions. Like I don't know what's going on because I want you to hear from the people that support me exactly what's going on, what we offer, how we can help you, and how simple this process can be. All you got to do is log on to www.insurify.life. Make sure you put .life. Don't go to the Google search results. You want to type in www.insurify.life and go through the steps. It's going to take you 10 minutes, 15 minutes tops, and we can start this process and get this ball rolling. Get you protected, get you covered, because life insurance is not about you. It's not about you when you die. It's about the people that you love who are still living. All right, so I'm on hold with my support team. Now, I'm on the East Coast, they are on the West Coast. So I just want to clear up a few things, answer a few questions before anybody has them, and give you a little bit more information on how this whole thing is going to work. Hopefully, I'm not on hold for too long. How are you today? I'm wonderful. My name is Ernest. I'm with Insurify.life.
Hey, how can I help?
I wanted to make a couple of updates. Well, one update on my site is my phone number.
Okay, yeah. Let's take a look. So is this a number that you just want to be, in a sense, client-facing to be on your invite client link, or do you want this to be changed to also be able to log into your portal with it?
No, just for my invite client link.
Right. Okay, yeah, no problem. What number should that be?
That'll be 215-346-6364.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, we'll get that updated. It may take a few minutes for that to refresh, but then that will override what's currently there.
Okay. Thank you so much. What was your name?
No problem. Wyatt.
Wyatt. I had a few questions, if you don't mind.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Now, these are some of the frequently asked questions that I get from clients, so I just wanted to run through it with you real quick. What's the difference between term and whole life?
Yeah, so a majority of our term products have a set length. So they pay, let's say, $100 a month for, I don't know, let's say $1 million policy for 20 years. Versus whole life is they're going to pay a set amount, say $100 for, I don't know, 300,000 for life. Usually goes up to 121 or until they pass.
That's age 121, correct?
Right. Yeah. Whereas that term, you're only locked in for that term length. And I mean, there's the potential to renew when that 20 years is up or whatever that term length is. But usually the premium will go up because they are older.
So every year you age, the premium increases, basically.
Once your term length is up, yes.
Oh, once your term length is up.
During that term length, yeah, it'll stay level.
Okay. So, and level is basically a fixed amount for the entirety of the policy's length.
Right.
Okay. Now, are the term and the whole life policies convertible? Like, could I change, or could a client change a term life to a whole life policy if they wanted to?
The only product that allows that is our True Stage term. So True Stage is our external carrier. Their term product doesn't have a set term length. It just renews automatically every year up until the age of 80. But at any point, 5-10 years down the road, someone wants to convert it to whole life, they have the ability just with that product.
And they will be able to keep all the monies that they paid into that policy up until that point?
Right.
Okay. And majority of the products offer no health exam. Is that correct?
Correct. Yeah, it's not required. We may, depending on the client, we may pull medical records and ask for an APS, but they never have to go out and get an exam or blood draw.
And what's an APS?
It's a attending physician statement, just obtaining those medical records from their physician.
Okay. How much should a person typically get in life insurance?
So it kind of depends on like a case by case, depending on the individual. I do believe when they start the application, we kind of have this little tool that kind of evaluates what might be best for them. If they're married, if they have kids, if they have a mortgage, all kind of taking into everything into account.
Okay.
So it depends on the individual.
Okay. And from what I understand, we are offering a free will and trust, correct?
Yes, for our internal products. So our products we have 3 term life products in-house as well as a final expense. It does not apply to our True Stage products because they're our external carrier.
Okay. And with the free will and trust, how long are we offering that service?
I do believe we're offering it for life. That's something that we're doing internally. So I don't think that's ever going to end.
Okay. Now, would somebody be able to make the trust the owner of the policy?
Yeah. So someone can at any point change who owns the policy. It's just important that the insured is the one completing the application and activating. Once it's activated, they can change the owner. So whether that be to a trust, whether that be to a family member, a parent, whomever, that can be done afterwards.
Okay. And with that same trust, would somebody be able to put other investments in the trust, like real estate and different asset holdings?
Yes, they can.
Okay. And this is all offered for free through the client portal, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, Wyatt. I appreciate your time, sir.
Oh, of course. I hope you have a great day.
You do the same. Enjoy your weekend and happy holidays, my friend.
Thank you. You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
There you go. Some frequently asked questions have just been answered. Variety of products are offered. Whole life and term life are offered. With some of these term life policies, they can be converted to whole life policies. So if that's something you're thinking about doing, we can absolutely offer that. And you can have a free will and trust. And with the trust, you can, because I know a lot of people are talking about the infinite banking and creating a trust and owning nothing and controlling everything. You have the opportunity to do that. So it's a no-brainer. I'm not trying to sell you. I'm just trying to let you know that there are options out there that are affordable, that you don't have to pay tens of thousands of dollars to lawyers. A lot of these things you can do yourself. A lot of this stuff is self-directed. A lot of this stuff you can access right through your client portal. So what I want you to do is log on to www.insurify.life. Not .com. That's those other guys. And I can't legally say why you shouldn't go there. All I can tell you is it's not me. Now you heard my phone number, which is 215. I just got the number, so let me read it to you. It's 215-346-6364. That is my number. You're not going to get, you may get the voicemail. I could be sleeping. But that is my number. So you're not going to get a random person on the other side of the country that's going to, nickel and dime you and push you through the ringer and direct you to different directories and different departments. That is my direct line. So if you have questions, you can call 215-346. Jesus, I'm messing my number up. I just got the number yesterday. I'm sorry. If you have questions, you can call me directly at 215-346-6364. And you can email me at, I forgot the email. I will edit this video. I promise. I believe the email, let me check, because it's in the phone. Everything's in the phone, right? If you need to email me, you can email me at, If you need to email me, you can email me at info@insurify.life. So once again, if you need to call me directly, you can call 215-346-6364. If you need to email me, you can email me at info@insurify.life. That is insurify.life, not .com. Insurify.life. Let's set you up. Let's get the ball rolling. Let's start creating this generational wealth that everybody's talking about. I'd be more than happy to help you if you want to be helped.